Happy Halloween! This is Peyton's place, and I'm Peyton. Today we're going to be making Monster Rice Crispy eyeballs, and our Rice Krispies, our butter, and our marshmallows, food coloring, and vanilla. So we're going to plop our butter in here. And we're going to put our marshmallows and our butter and our microwave. Okay, so I'm going to mix it. Blue, go make purple. Boom. Seems like I know. And now let's mix it up. It looks like abstract art, which is very weird. Starting with pink. Pinkish purple. Okay, so we got our vanilla. We're going to put it on a teeny tiny spoon. Oops. Okay. Alright, now let's put it and boom! Fake slime. My mom and me combined ingredients. Now we're gonna butter it. Make a little bowl. I'm gonna make the biggest one I can. Look at this one. It's so weird. It's good. Thank you guys for doing it, for coming with us. Tastes so good. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.